today I'm reviewing the Nakeup Face PHA Water Tox Ampoule. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the Amazon link below. Okay, when I first started getting into K-beauty products, this was one of the first ones I tried because I was looking for a gentle exfoliator. And one of these took me, I think, like 3 months to go through. And I really liked it, so I picked up a second. And now I finally thought I should review it because overall I did like the product. So I want to let you guys know about it. Okay, so Nakeup Face says you get improved effects of alpha-hydroxy acids and antioxidant as well as moisturizing power with a high content of polyhydroxy acids at 6%. Polyhydroxy acids with various hydroxyl groups offer a professional peeling effect by pulling up molecules. I think a lot of this is translation. Lost in translation. PHA minimizes discomfort, stinging, or irritation with no downtime. Daily activities or makeup applications are possible immediately after peeling. The patented ingredient, Volufine, plumps up the interior of skin while PHA forms a hydrofilm on surface. Peeling is a common word and doesn't necessarily mean like peeling. I think they use the term peeling instead of exfoliating. And when you exfoliate your skin, it doesn't necessarily mean it's like peeling like a sunburn. So, anyway. Some of that was lost in translation, though, I will say. Okay, so we get to the first criteria on this, and it is packaging. And I like the packaging. It actually reminds me of the Marc Jacobs coconut primer, which I really like. So no real issues with that, although it's clear for the most part, so I recommend keeping it in a cabinet away from light in general. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, there is no drying types of alcohol, and it is also fragrance-free, which is great for sensitive skin, especially when you're using chemicals that help exfoliate. It's better to avoid fragrance and alcohol because it just increases the chance of irritation and dryness and a reaction. So the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So this is really an exfoliating type product which contains polyhydroxy acids and salicylic acid, which help exfoliate the skin. You're not necessarily going to peel from it, but it helps with pores and things like that. So because it contains some of those exfoliating ingredients, I recommend using it in your evening routine. I recommend using it after cleansing, toning, essences, and if you use a hydrating serum, use that. And then use this one, let it absorb, and then continue with your moisturizer and sleeping mask. So I really do recommend using it in your evening routine. You don't want to apply things that have exfoliating acids in your daytime routine just because it's just going to cause pilling and it just doesn't work well in your morning routine. So evening routine is the way to go. It's got a really nice texture, and I'm going to do a pH test of it as well. Since we've got some exfoliating ingredients, they have to be at a proper pH to function correctly. But this one just has such a nice texture to it, which I think is why I liked it. It's got kind of a gel texture, and it absorbs into skin really nicely and does leave skin looking more plump and hydrated. And I think a side effect of a lot of those exfoliating ingredients is increased hydration, even though you don't really think of it that way. Salicylic acid, especially in oil-based type products, can really leave your skin feeling super hydrated, even though it's not something you commonly think of when you think of exfoliating ingredients. So here we go with the pH test of this one. I do love the packaging. It's beautiful. Okay, so the pH of this one, I would say maybe like 3.2-ish. It's pretty close to the 3, so it's certainly in the range to be effective. So no issues at all with that. So very easy to use, plays well with other products, and if you use it in your evening routine, no issues with pilling, and it plays well with other products. It does leave your skin feeling plumped. So very easy to use. In terms of beneficial ingredients and antioxidants, so we've got the highlighted ingredient, polyhydroxy acid, gluconolactone. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, but that is a gentle exfoliating ingredient. I'm sure a lot of you have seen PHAs, but they kind of always take a back seat to alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids. They're not quite as known, but it can really do a nice gentle exfoliation without the irritation, dryness, and flakiness that stronger exfoliating ingredients can have. PHA also offers hydration and antioxidant effects that help protect the skin barrier, which you don't necessarily think of when you think of an exfoliating ingredient. Then we've also got salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy exfoliant that helps prevent breakouts, also helps with pore size, and it can also help with hydration as well. Then we've got several different types of algae in here, and algae can be very good for hydrating the skin. Algae can be a good antioxidant, emolliating, hydrating ingredient. Also can help with anti-aging. We've got a few other ones. Enteromorpha Compressa extract, which is a extract from green algae with antioxidant benefits. Then we've got the Anemarrhena Asphodeloides root extract, which is a patented ingredient that's patented by Castor, which I haven't tried anything from that brand until a couple days ago. I saw a few of their products and it looked interesting, so I was going to pick them up. It's volufine, which is a skin plumping ingredient, which is said to help with fine lines in the face area, especially around the eyes and mouth. So I'm not necessarily sold that something that's patented is better than anything else, but it looks like people find good results with it and a lot of help kind of plumping and hiding fine lines and wrinkles. Then we've got Undaria Pinnatifida extract, which is another algae. Then we've got hydrolyzed collagen, which helps with skin hydration and moisturizer. Collagen. Applying collagen doesn't give you more collagen, but it temporarily makes you look like you have more collagen, I guess is the best way to explain it. Collagen is a hydrating ingredient, really. Your skin can't absorb collagen and make more collagen that way, but it's great for hydrating and moisturizing the skin. And then we've got several more algae extracts. I know some people are very sensitive to algae in terms of acneogenic properties of it, so keep that in mind. But overall, the ingredient list is pretty impressive. I mean, they did a pretty good job. It's a well-rounded product with some really good beneficial ingredients. Okay, then we get to animal testing, and Nakeup Face is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. Performance, it certainly gives an instant plumping effect to skin. It does set to kind of a tacky finish, so that's why I do recommend if you use this in your routine, finish it off with a good sleeping mask or moisturizer. It's truly a gentle exfoliating product. I just love it. It really helps with pores, prevents breakouts. It does have one acneogenic ingredient, which is pretty impressive, and that is hydrogenated polyisobutene, which can be an acneogenic ingredient. But overall, algae for some people can be very acneogenic, and for others, they're going to have no issues. So just depends on your personal situation. But overall, I'm very happy with the performance. Obviously, if I repurchased it, that says something right off the bat there, because I don't repurchase a lot of things. It really has to impress me to repurchase it because I've got so many other things I want to try. Okay, then we get to the price. And I'm trying to remember. This is 1.1 ounce or 33 milliliters. So a little bit bigger than 1 ounce. And it retails for about $14. But, you know, if you check out the K-beauty sites, they're generally on sale somewhere. So it's worth doing a little bit of shopping around. And in my opinion, for a good exfoliating product, it's a bargain because it's hard to find a really good one that works well for your skin. Then we get to the it factor, and this is a total winning exfoliating product. I don't rotate a lot of exfoliators through. I generally stick with tried and true ones, but to find a good one is well worth it. No alcohol, no fragrance, proper pH, affordable, well packaged. Great for dry skin, acne-prone skin, normal skin, oilier skin. Might find it works better in your evening routine, of course. If you tend to use this in your daytime routine, I have a feeling it might make people look a little oily, but overall, very happy with it. So, out of 10, I gave this a 10, and that doesn't happen every day. So I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this or if you've tried anything else out from the brand. What have you tried from them and how did you like it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.